artists them. Which artists that say, yo, you know me, I love to clash that youth there. Even though your name probably good, but which artists that say, yo, me, I love to clash that one there.
Now one artist me I go write off on a Masicka, man. Me I go shell him out one day, them I go see it clear in front of them. Fans them I go see.
Boom!
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another update. You see me? Another update, make you know what go on the ground, what go on a foot. You see me I say? Now, I know you guys have been familiar with the whole DeMarco versus Coyote before versus Fully Bad clash and drama, right? And a lot of hype surround that. Well, people seem like another clash is brewing, or at least this is what one of the artists is hoping for, because according to the artist, I know man, them a go bust out Masicka jelly, them a go fly Masicka butt, them a go put Masicka under the ground, them a make him beg for mercy. You see me man say I go Masicka, no pun intended, people. I know me say so. Now, if you don't know me I talk about, yeah man, I talk about Devin Di Dakta. Yeah man, Devin Di Dakta went on JA Radio TV. I'm sure you're familiar with. You know what I'm saying? And you were speaking to the host, Wiz. You know what I'm saying? He was live talking about the whole Coyote versus Fully Bad and Coyote versus, DeMarco versus Coyote and DeMarco versus Fully Bad situation. You see me? And he had people calling, DeMarco calling at one point, Fully Bad calling at one point. But after that, Devin Di Dakta happened to call in on the latest show. You see me? And asking, and after Wiz, I believe, asked him what artist he would have want to clash. Devin Di Dakta make you know say straight. He want bust out Masicka jelly. You see, he want fly Masicka butt. He want send Masicka brain gas space. You see me I say with Elon Musk and SpaceX. You see me I say, yeah man. And him say, you know enough people laughing at him at this time. You see me, enough people are laughing at the chat, which they were. You see me, I feel say man joke. They only got them. I realize say it's serious when he have Masicka beggar play and a beg for mercy. You see me I say. And this sparked a lot of controversy. If you don't believe me, people, I do not little part of the clip me couldn't watch. You see me, check it out.
Artists them. Which artists that say, yo, you know me, I love to clash that youth there. Even though your name probably good, but which artists that say, yo, me, I love to clash that one there.
One artist me I go write off on a Masicka, man. Me I go shell him out one day, them I go see it clear in front of them. Fans them I go see.
Boom!
Them I go laugh in the comment section now, but them I go laugh here now. But one day it now go funny. So them can screen record this right now and just keep it on them phone. I don't want you to delete this off of your channel.
Hey, well,
them go laugh it. Watch it laugh it. Check your comment section. Me now see it right now. But you go say be laughing until the day where it don't.
No,
I'm
gonna fix things.
Remember
I'm gonna fix things right now. People, no can't go levels card. We're talking about a Grammy.
Them can't go levels card. And anybody in the comment section where say otherwise I said that wouldn't be a good clash, I lie them at all. And them know that themselves. Them just go laugh to make it seem funny. Them know that.
Chat true. We're talking about
but we understand that, because that's how you go from cartel days. When Movado sing bad tune with your Gaza man, a Gaza, you say no matter what teacher sing. So, that's how you go.
Yo, chat true, the man's a Masicka, you know. The man's a Masicka, you know.
Yeah, them I go laugh. And me bet you any money, them I go push up, be a laughing face in the comment section and a joke. Them I go laugh you out. Them a go laugh till one day it's not funny, man. You see the artists are beg for mercy out there on the Rascal stage.
Boom! Whoa! Hey, people, the probably say Masicka big, but remember, you know, Masicka see Grammy room all know, you know. You never even know that's surrounding the look, you know. Remember, so we see Devin for red carpet.
Every accolades out of you can take every accolades out of you, take whatever out of you. When you talk about writing a song, war song, any type of song, we can do it again. Him have the bigger fan base. So you didn't even mention that one at time say it can be because of the fan base.
Yeah.
And again, we know that from teacher of other days.
Yeah.
Once teacher sing a song, no matter where Vado sing a Gaza, we say. We even want to listen to Vado. And same we have a Gully fans where they even want to listen to Cartel. I just say go with the fan base. Because I see people in the comment section say Fully Bad a win from a clash start. But it's just that them a Fully Bad fan. Because if you listen to the tune, them want to put the tune them side to side. Me know you're not going to judge it like that yet. Which me not to judge it like that because it clash up far if you go same way.
Far.
You have to say them actually. There's nothing at all I can say, but we still rate to Fully Bad going with. You can't take nothing at all from him.
Yeah, me I'll comment for the part still, you know what I mean?
But yeah, you can't comment because you have to make your war go on.
Yeah.
And medieval 1-2 say Marco win because you clash early.
Yeah.
The clash earlier just about 4 or 5 tune them. The clash can go until December. Clash can go until next year. So, yeah.
Yo, Devin, all you talk right now, you know. All me I think about to say, yo, you say you're more lyrical than Masicka everybody, you know. More see the clash there, you know.
Bro,
More see the clash there.
dog, it not gonna happen. It not gonna happen right now, man. It not gonna happen right now. It not gonna happen right now, but me promise you it all go on, man. All when time me in a Grammy room and me dip on the stage, I collect me dozen award them in a one night and me dip on #1 on Billboard. If him even sick and go hospital to blood clot, the doctor kill him.
Yo, people, screenshot this. Vloggers, do the job. We need this. We need Devin
Like
face.
me tell you, bro, it not gonna happen right now, but it all gonna go on, man. And then can run, you know, about how far they can go.
Ja.
But again, set off the jokes them in the comment section again, but me help on the laugh.
Yo,
One day, nah, go funny. The joke I got up on one day when I soon artists are big. Watch.
So you see the clip the people. You see say Devin Di Dakta now play Masicka. You see say that want Masicka bat. You want Masicka soul. You want Masicka life. You want to be the Grim Reaper. All this time I think say you're alkaline that can fly Masicka bat. You see me say? You see me I say? Settle this beef once and for all. So who are the money at dance hall? Devin Di Dakta make you know say straight up. I him want fly Masicka bat. I him want boss Masicka jelly. Cause him don't afraid. And apparently the artist him say he probably scared of Masicka, but he man brave. The man say yo Masicka and one straight. Enough people don't choose Masicka as them opponent. You know what I'm saying? Cause enough of them dancehall artists are scared, you know. You see me? They now go and choose somebody who they know is lyrical and can actually compete, defend themselves, fight back. You see me? Most of them choose somebody who they can push over and walk over easy. But Devin Di Dakta make you know say, yo, he might be the underdog, you know, might be the young artist compared. He might have the bigger fan base. But none of that no matter. You want fly Masicka jelly can feel say you have the skills and the necessary lyrics, the necessary delivery, style and everything to do what you need to do and fly Masicka bat. So a man say, yo, you want to fly Masicka bat straight. And everybody knows say, yo, Masicka and Devin Di Dakta have had beef in the past where it's, you know, at one point it was alleged that Masicka and him manager, I believe it was Court at the time, actually tried to jump Devin Di Dakta or beat him or something like that, some controversy. But we don't talk about what about the war. But apparently Devin Di Dakta want to take it lyrical and he want to go at Masicka. He want to fly Masicka bat. You see me and say, yo, and you know, at first when I say yo, why Masicka want to fight him, but the man say, yo, Masicka can't pull the levels card. I say, yo, Masicka can't come with the levels cards. Now this, bro. You see me and I say, I don't know about that, you know. Because, to be honest, after you work so hard to get to where you're at in the business, bro, you feel me? Are you just going to answer some person was not working as hard as you or didn't get to the level you're at? Are you going to just answer them just like that and give them that easy access to rise? Or give them that access to where nobody can actually ruin your career and bring you down? You see me? You might not want to certain ways. You have to pull the levels card. You see me? I say when you reach a certain level and you put in a certain work, I understand when the levels card can, because you don't want to fight with a no name or nobody that is not relevant. You see me? I say not saying that Devin Di Dakta is not relevant. I'm just saying. But they were saying you can't pull levels card. And in my opinion, levels card can be drawn at some point, depending on the situation and depending upon the level between the artists. You see me? But yeah, man, people. So me just want to know, you know, let me know what is your thoughts on that one. You see me? Apparently, Devin Di Dakta is ready to fly Masicka bat. You see me? Ready for flying jelly. You see me? I'm going to take over. You see me? Devin Di Dakta feel like he has what it takes. So let me know. Do you think Devin Di Dakta have what it takes? Do you think he can buckle Masicka? You feel me? Do you think Masicka should pull the levels card? Can Masicka pull the levels card? Should Masicka even answer him if him do throw a shot? You see me? I say, do you think that they should go at Masicka not even go at Alka? You see me? Alka up on the level. Alka have lyrics to fight back on them thing there. You see me? So if Masicka don't answer Alka, I don't answer Devin Di Dakta. But Dog say that he want to do. He want to fire Masicka bat. Dog say he went as far to say he will put up money. I believe like $1 million to fly dog. So we have to see what go on, man. You see me? We there feet. We don't know where tuning and we are taking what go on, and we there look out how we are. You see me? I say. So as soon as the thing them drop, guys, I may have an update for you. I can drop the update for you, so look out for that. You see me? I look out for the reaction them, because I don't know. We always react to the music and drop the reaction them first, you know. So stay tuned, gang. Let me know the thoughts on that subject. And I don't know. Till next time, my boy Jambisco here and I return and smash up. Bang! Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
Play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector.